In this video, we're gonna go over instant relief for sciatic nerve pain, and all you need is a foam roller. Now, if you're in pain right now, let's dive in. I'm Dawson, I'm the head functional trainer at ResetU. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna break up the muscle tissue first, and then we're gonna stretch and glide and get you out of nerve pain. If you are in serious pain and this does not help you, make sure you go see a professional. And if you haven't had an assessment, usually the sciatic pain is caused by a rotation in the pelvis that's pinching the nerve deep in your glute. So even though we're gonna get rid of the symptoms of the pain, the cause is still probably gonna be there. And I don't want you to ever worry about pain again. So if I fix your pain, promise me by the end of this video, you feel better, you go get help. And I mean, maybe on our ResetU channel, we have a free assessment. I don't know. Sometimes we run free assessments and we'll give a free assessment. Sometimes we don't. I don't know, but go check. If you haven't subscribed, that's the best way to find out if we have a free assessment going. All right, so let's dive in. The first thing we're gonna do is we have to work on that glute itself. So from here, I just want you to sit on the foam roller and rotate back and forth. Now, most likely you're having sciatic pain on the side. And so say it's my left side, what I would do is just rotate my hips onto that side, and we're just gonna mash out that tissue. Now, this is gonna be uncomfortable at first, but our goal is to get it to release. Now, if you still don't feel it, say you've got sciatic pain, but your glute is pretty used to tissue work, like you get a massage frequently, or you do this kind of foam rolling stuff frequently, what I want you to do is do a cross-legged glute foam roll, and then tilt the weight over. So that way you're putting even more pressure on that piriformis and releasing that glute tissue below. Now you're gonna do this for at least 90 seconds. I would recommend 2 minutes. So if you've got the time, you wanna get rid of the pain, go for at least 2 minutes. Now the next movement we're gonna do is we're gonna work our way down the chain. So from here, I'm gonna take the foam roller and I'm gonna sit it on the couch. And that way we can get into the actual hamstring portion. So from here, I'm gonna put all my weight on the couch. This is a little bit better with a box or a coffee table if you have one. And I want you just to move your leg in and out, and we're gonna floss this part of the hamstring. Now this should start to increase symptoms through the back and start to increase tension into the legs a little bit. That's what you want. The sciatic nerve goes from the heel all the way up the hamstring, all the way up the glute, even up, connects up here in your upper body. So if we can loosen this up here at the pinpoint spot, we can get you some relief with this nerve flossing. All right, now that we've got that taken care of, down to some stretching. All right, so you always want to foam roll first before you stretch to release your nervous system. Now that we're gonna stretch, we're going to literally do that cross-legged glute stretch. So say it's my left side, whatever side that is affected. The first movement you wanna do is just bring your knee to your chest. Now, if you could do this stretch and it's starting to relieve tension after like 30 seconds, we're gonna kick it up a notch and we're gonna do that cross-legged figure four glute stretch. So I'm gonna twist here, reach through and grab the opposite leg. Now the key here is to breathe and release. So just inhale and exhale. The best way to do it is box breathing. So inhale for 5 seconds, hold for 5 seconds. Exhale for 5 seconds, hold for 5 seconds. And as you're doing this breathing, you should feel your body release on its own. The whole point is to get your nerve system to release and stop the guarding. Now next, what we wanna do, create lengthening. I'm gonna use a yoga strap. If you're at home and you don't have a yoga strap, easily just use a belt. I'm gonna put it around the ball of my foot. Now from here, I'm gonna go to my end range. So let's hypothetically say your end range before you feel pain is from right here. That's okay, you just wanna hold on from right here. I'm gonna piston your foot and ankle. So you're gonna push forward and bring it back. You're going to push forward and bring it back. Now, if your end range is higher, say your end range is here, you're going to push forward and bring it back. It all depends on your body. Now, these moves should instantly relieve your pain. If they're not, then we gotta take another step. Go see a professional in person, a physical therapist, a chiropractor, someone who can do an assessment, or we have an amazing online assessment that can help you further, and you don't even have to leave your house. Like, we can take care of you right now. If you are out of pain, remember, that's the symptom. The real cause, the muscular imbalances that are causing the pain are still not fixed, so you have to have a strength training program. The good news is, we have other videos to help you strengthen that area so it doesn't ever happen again. So if you haven't subscribed, you'll probably miss out. So go subscribe now, get those other strength training videos, and I'll see you guys on the next video.